What's up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me early in the morning. This video actually had an actual voice, but when I kinda listened to it, the voice was not audible. So, guys, this is me at my grandma's. I was heading to the shops very early in the morning, and look at me, looking gorgeous. So I decided to do a voiceover for you guys. This is something I'm not used to doing, but this is it. I think this is it, guys.
Type of love that you never felt. Okay, all day, let me demonstrate. Throw bad vibes at my feet, I'ma levitate. My trajectory, yeah, that would never change. I'ma be me, even if I look strange. I be focused on life with no pain. Make a day from the night, cause I brought paint. I've been through hell, but for heaven's sake, I'm in my lemon car, sipping lemonade. I think I found my groove. I think I found my way. I think I found my mood. I think I found my way. Walking across the moon. I think I found my place. Yeah. I think I found my mood. I think I smile today. Yeah. Everybody's showing money, I just show teeth. Yeah, that special type of riches that you can't beat. I got the special currency that you can't see. That special kind of happy, feel it in your feet. Tap, 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 stars in my backpack. Every time I get down, I'ma always snap back. Stepping on the planets just to get my little lift back. And if they acting like Uranus, tell them kiss that. Rest assured, I'm superb, I'm secure, I'm the cure. They will learn my trust, they'll earn. Haters, confirm, that's not my concern. I'm the best, I should act like it. In a very dark room, I'm the flashlighting. I'm a good catch, like some nice whiting. And I'ma go and light a match if they gaslighting. I think I found my groove. I think I found my way. I think I found my mood. I think I found my way. Walking across the moon. I think I found my place. Yeah. I think I found my mood. I think I smile today. Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. The nature is so pretty. Thank God I've come right now. Because, no later, people will be flocking in these roads. Just love the nature out here. It's so pretty. Little birds everywhere. Okay. I'm wearing so big slipper, so I can't actually walk without the flipping sound. They're too big for me, and I'm not good with slippers, with flip-flops. Yeah. Wow. Oh my gosh. It rained yesterday, but I am so happy. Oh, look at that. So this is the junction. Yeah.
Smile. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna do this one the very right way. Try. Oh, really? Woke up in the morning with the sunshine. Nice. Animated birds on my power line. There they go. Mapping out my life, cause it's by design. Checking on my friends.
So here guys, I am back at home and I am trying to find a cup to pour in some water for my grandma to take the medicine, and that's what I did over there. So guys, by the end of the video, I expect you guys to like, share and subscribe to my videos. Until next time guys, it's peace out.
But for heaven's sake, I'm in my lemon car, sipping lemonade. I think I found my groove.